your lesson 6 over here. We already gave you MP3. Hope you can listen and practice your speaking. The first one we will check about in your dialogue 1. So in dialogue 1有几个人？In dialogue 1有几个人？Dialogue 1有2个人 ，very good Dialogue 1有2个人。So 他们叫什么名字？I ask this question. How do you answer me? 他们叫什么名字？ How do you answer in one sentence? 他们叫什么名字？You already told me dialogue 1有2个人 so I'm asking 他们叫什么名字？Very good 他们叫陈佳明和王美玲。Okay, so we use 和 connecting about these two names. Okay, very good. Then, so at here, first one, people answer Wei. So we told you Wei means hello, means people are making phone call. Okay, that means they are making phone call. So 今天中午你有空吗 ？Question word, which one? 好吗 ？It's a yes or no question at here. So they're asking for 今天中午，今天 today 中午 afternoon. So this afternoon, do you have free time or not? So they the people answer 对不起sorry 你说什么 ？In the sentence 你说什么 which one is the question word? 什么 right? 说 means speak. So what did you say? 你说什么？我没听见。So we told you in normally match with the verb. Okay, I didn't hear, so we can use the word 没 coming from 没有 means didn't. So I didn't hear. 我没听见。The people repeat again. 今天中午你有空吗 Do you have free time this evening, this afternoon? So the people answer yes, right? So they copy the whole sentence down. 今天中午我有空 change 你 into 我 when you answer the question. Okay. So 有什么事情remember 有什么事情 together at here. Meaning means what's the matter? Okay, 3 words together means what's the matter? 有什么事情? So when we answer the question, we just continue answer. Don't need to copy it anymore. Okay, this is the special ones. Hope you can remember 3 of them asking for what's the matter? 有什么事情? So you continue to talk about the things you want to say. Then the people answer, 我在学习做中国菜. What's the meaning? 学习. For the word 学习, what's the meaning for it? Study. So we can talking for learn. Okay 在学习, what's the meaning? We use 在 plus 学习. Very good. It means is study. So I am learning. I am learning to 做中国菜. 做 at here we translate as cook or make. Okay 做 originally the meaning this character the meaning means make. We have another one 坐出租车坐飞机坐车坐 that one is take for transportation. They have different Chinese character. Okay, they have different Chinese character. Here, the character 做 we told you is a person standing here use a hammer to make something. Okay, so then 做 at here normally meaning means make, but here the person make is Chinese food. So also at here 做 we can translate as cook. When the things you make is food, so we can use 做 translate as cook. So I'm learning to cook Chinese food, a Chinese dish. 的中午，我想请你吃饭。So 中午 afternoon. What's the time between 中午？Can you tell me what's the time between 中午？中午 refers to what time? We told you 早上、上午、中午、下午、晚上。Very good. 12 to 2 o'clock. Okay, so means in the afternoon. 我想 means I want. 请你 add here the word 请 meaning means treat or please. Which one? Means please or treat. What's the meaning for 请 add here? Means treat. So I want to treat you to eat, or I want to invite you to eat. Remember 吃饭 two word 饭 coming from 米饭 means rice, but 吃饭 two words together means have meal. Okay, you can say eat breakfast, lunch, dinner. We can all use 吃饭 to talking for it. Okay, so 我想请你吃饭 means I want to invite you to eat. For example, we can ask the question. 你吃饭了吗？你吃饭了吗？ So, have you eat or did you already eat? 你吃饭了吗？ So, if you already eat, we answer 我吃饭了。Okay. Then, so over here, 我想请你吃饭。I want to invite you to eat. So the people answer 好啊。So 好啊 and 好的 both of them meaning means okay. 好啊 and 好的 both of them means okay. So 我和家人都爱吃中国菜。都 add here. What's the meaning? Both. Very good. So I told you, do never starting, never put do in the beginning of your sentence. Do must put after subject. So here in the sentence, the subject is 我和家人. We told you 家 means family, 人 means people. So 家人 means family member. Okay. So my family member and I, we all love to eat Chinese dish. Or you can say both my family and I, we love to eat Chinese dish. So this is about the passage. Then I want to ask a question. So question one, okay, for my question one is 谁会做中国菜？谁会做中国菜？谁会做中国菜？谁会做中国菜？ Make sure you follow and answer our question. Try to answer it quickly. Very good. It means who can cook Chinese food? So 陈家明会做中国菜. Very good. Okay. Then my question two. 现在王美玲在做什么？现在王美玲在做什么 ？It's a little bit complicated question. Make sure you understand it. 现在王美玲在做什么 ？How do you answer me? 现在王美玲在做什么？现在王美玲在做什么 ？Find out the question word. Make sure you understand what are they asking for. Then put your answer. The answer word you have learned previously. So you have to check the book. Previously, which word can you use as here as the answer? 现在王美玲在做什么？ As I told you, every time if you think you're reacting very slow, then you need to do the revision. You're stuck by the word. Some people stuck by the word 现在, they don't understand. Some people have problem about finding the proper question word. And someone don't know the answer. So how do you answer it? 现在王美玲在做什么？ Check the passage and make sure you find the important information. Then现在王美玲在听见。I'm asking my question is 做什么？现在王美玲在做打电话。Still wrong. There will be tiny problem inside. How to fix it? Find out the question word. Find out the question word, then put your answer, replace the question word. 现在王美玲在打电话. Very good. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now Wang Meiling is calling. 做什么 is the question word asking for what activity he is doing. 现在 means now, so we're asking now what is Wang Meiling doing? So in the beginning, we told you we have the word 喂 at here. 喂 means hello, means they are making phone call. So 打电话. I already told you the answer word is not in our chapter 6. 打电话 means calling. So 现在王美玲在打电话. Okay, now Wang Meiling is calling. Then continue, make sure I remember about it. Then so 王美玲什么时候有空？王美玲什么时候有空？A easy question right here. 王美玲什么时候有空？Now question word is 什么时候 So make sure you find the answer 什么时候 So when you have to answer two time word or more than two. So we answer 王美玲今天中午有空 Very good. So put full stop mark over there. 王美玲今天中午有空 So 陈家明中午要做陈家明中午想做什么？陈家明中午想做什么 ？How do you answer it? 陈家明中午想做什么？ 陈佳明中午想做什么？陈佳明中午想学习 means 陈佳明 wants to study in the afternoon. Check again. Check your dialogue again. 陈佳明中午想做中国菜。Check the passage one more time. Check your dialogue. They already told you about the information actually. To find out the time I gave you, the limit things I gave you is 中午。So 陈佳明中午想做什么？陈佳明中午想学习做中国菜。Did you find 中午 in the dialogue? I told you the important things is 中午. Actually, a lot of activity Chen Jiaming is doing, right? So then you need to find out. Okay, very good. We got 陈佳明中午想请王美玲吃饭. Very good. This is the things we're talking. 中午 over here, so you find the 中午 information is here. So you check 陈佳明's dialogue, then you find out the time for 中午. So 中午 is 我想请你吃饭. So I want to invite you to eat. So actually it's this part. Then you have to change 你 into the person's name. Find out which people 你 refers to. So 陈佳明中午想请王美玲吃饭. Very good. This will be the answer. Like 学习做中国菜 they didn't told you about 中午. 中午 is they want to invite Wang Meiling to eat. So this is about the answer. Then let's check about dialogue 2. So 有空的时候你喜欢做什么? Look at it here. Then in dialogue 2, two people. The first one is Li Guoqiang. Another one, You Si Li. Okay. So in sentence number 1, which word is the question word? 有空的时候你喜欢做什么? Which one is the question word? Don't confuse 什么 and 做什么. So then 做什么 at here. So then you check about the answer they give is activity. So 做什么 together means what to do. How do you translate as 的时候? The 时候, how do you translate it? Okay, check over here. 的时候 we translate as during. I already type it in Webex chat. Okay. 的时候 yes, we translate as during. So 有空 means have free time. Then during your free time, what do you like to do? 你喜欢做什么? Okay, for example, we can say during Saturday, what do you like to do? So we can change 有空 into Saturday. So we say 星期六的时候 during Saturday. 你喜欢做什么? What do you like to do? Okay. Then the people answer, 我喜欢游泳和踢足球. Actually, this is answer in the short form. Actually, the people should answer, 有空的时候我喜欢游泳和踢足球. Okay, this will be the answer. So 有空的时候我喜欢游泳和踢足球. So this is the answer. 游泳 swimming and play football. Okay. 你呢? How about you? 呢 means how about. It's a question word. So 呢 means how about. So the people answer 我喜欢听歌和看电影. I like 听歌 listen to music and 看电影 watch movie. So they're talking 今天的天气太热了。What's the meaning? 太热了。Can you tell me? What's the meaning for 太热了？How do you translate? Very good. Too hot. So meaning means the weather today or today's weather is too hot. Remember in English, you say today's weather is too hot. But for adjective in Mandarin sentence, we never have 是 inside it. Same like you are very beautiful. We say 你很漂亮. Okay, we don't have be verb in the sentence. So I need to ask a question. If 太热了 is the answer, which one is your question word for it? Which question word do you use for 太热了? If 太热了 is the answer, so which question word do you use for this one? 太热了 too hot. Hot is adjective, right? So adjective at here, we will use 怎么样. Very good. So we will use 怎么样. Hope you can remember. Not so many people can remember it. So do your revision well. For adjective, we use 怎么样. Then 我们去游泳好吗？好吗 is the one. We're asking for okay or not. So 我们去游泳 we go to swimming, okay? The answer 对不起sorry. 我不会游泳 means I cannot swimming. Okay, I cannot swimming. 我不会游泳. So this is about the last paragraph over here. So we got some activity. The first thing you need to know is we use 做什么 asking for activity. Then 的时候 translate as during. So if answer is adjective, we will use 怎么样 to ask the question. Okay, so this is about everything for level 1. Then right now we will discuss the last thing over here, homework. Okay. Okay, so one more time, rules for mixed sentence will be the same. Read this one by yourself. If you forgot, check our video. Make sure you stop at here. Read every rules for mixed sentence. Then here, this is the words for mixed sentence 3. Okay, number 1 is 衣服 clothes. Number 2 前面 in front. Number 3 桌子 table. Number 4 睡觉 sleep. Number 5 商店 shop. Number 6 请 you can translate as please or invite as you like. Okay. Number 7 和 and not a drink. This word 和 meaning means and. So number 8 菜 you can translate as vegetable or dish. Okay, 菜. Then number 9 电影 okay, movie 电影. Number 10 热 meaning means hot. Okay, so this is the 10 words you have to make sentence for make sentence 3. The paper for make sentence 3 is this one. Okay, I use for make sentence 3 paper. So about this part, read it by yourself. Okay, read it by yourself. The sample for make sentence 3, same like previous. Okay, same like previous. So write your metric number and the group number attendance, everything you write clear. If you have highlight, put your highlight over there. Okay, if you don't have, use another color of pen to highlight the words we give you. Okay, so submission form for make sentence 3. This one, make a PDF M3 for make sentence 3. Okay, I checked about this one. Then this is for make sentence. So submission date follow online learning. If online learning and my slide different, always follow online learning. Okay, so open your online learning, check the last day for submission, make sentence 3. Don't miss the deadline. Okay, this is about your make sentence things over here. So any questions about what we're talking right today? 有 or 没有? Some people asking for can already can do the quiz or not. So then you can start in quiz already open today. If you don't know the date, check our due date. Okay, so then quiz already starting. So each people, as we told you, 1 attempt only. So everything, if you forgot, check our video lesson 4. Okay, before sem break, I will already introduce how to do the quiz. So if you don't know about that one, check our video one more time. Quiz already start. Okay. Then I want to inform another things. So today we will give you actually for lesson 1 until lesson 3, Mandarin level 1 actually already finished. Okay, we already finished learning. So I will give you about this PDF for you. Okay, I will give this PDF for you. This is my preparation. Okay. One thing I want to inform you is different Mandarin teacher will have different ways to teach. So for my reference, don't pass to your friends in other groups. Okay, this is the reference I give to my students. So their teacher have their arrangement. Don't need you to help them. Okay, so my reference only used for my students. I hope this one will be clear. I don't want you to pass my reference to every Mandarin students who learn Mandarin 1. Okay, don't randomly share my reference. Then different teacher will have different reference help you to help students to learn. So this one is a preparation for special question words. I want you to remember. So as in class, as we already introduced, how we got 怎么 and 怎么样 transportation for this one. Okay, left side is the English meaning for the question words. Okay, in Webex chat. In Webex chat, we have students asking for presentation. So the video presentation we will discuss in the future. Okay, so far still early. So maybe next class or after next class, we will introduce about how to do your video presentation. Okay, so far still too early for it. Then check over here. Next class, we will focus for discussing this. So left side is the meaning for the question word. Second row is the question word you must remember for Mandarin 1, except number 12 and number 13. Okay, except number 12 and number 13. So 12 and 13 don't need to remember because this one you will learn it in level 2. Okay, 12 and 13 don't need to remember it. So forgot about 12 and 13. You only need to finish, remember from number 1 until 11. Okay, I already told you, but number 1 until 11, you need to fully remember all of them. So, like we told you, transportation, you use the over there. This is the proper answer I gave you as an example. In the class, we already discussed. Adjective, if you have 很 and 太 plus adjective, we use 怎么样. Numbers less than 10, we use 几. Date, we also use 几. Number more than 10, we use 多少. Cell phone number, also we use 多少. Then price, use 多少钱. Answer will have number plus 令吉. People's age, numbers more than 10 plus 岁 years old, we will use 多大 to ask the question. Then one-time word in this format, 5点18分, 3点半, you will use 几点 to ask a question. If they are more than 2, we will use 什么时候. Okay, we already gave you example right here. Check it by yourself. Object use 什么 activity 又是做什么 people 谁 place 哪里 or 哪儿 this and that we use 哪 okay so this is the reference when we finish class I will give you about this PDF so read this one use this as a revision by yourself because you have to do this assignment today. Okay, this is also will be homework. So then you need to finish this one. So next class we will discuss for this. Okay, next class we will discuss for this. So once we do it, we use this find a special question word number 1 until number 11 to replace the words underlined at here. Then other words, for example, we have 我, then change into 你. So make sure you copy the whole sentence. Okay, so finish your exercise for this one. Make sure you understand every meaning of the words. Word at here belongs to the 150 words you must remember. Okay, so for example, they are very easy question if you check. Like the first one, underline is 坐飞机. Which question word do you use? For most of the students, they are very well learning, so they can finish the exercise very fast. 坐飞机, which one do you, which question word do you choose at here? 坐飞机, which question word do you choose at here? 坐飞机 meaning means take airplane. Take airplane, right? The people who told me 做什么 is you don't remember the meaning. So take airplane is a transportation, so we use 怎么. Number 2, 我们. Which word do you choose? Which question word do you choose? 谁 because 我们 means people. Then number 3, 这 meaning means this. Very good. We chose 哪. Just now we introduced it's number 11, right? This and that we will use which. So then very good. So continue. 我的哥哥. It's very easy one. 我的哥哥. As if you remember the meaning, we never have a question word is 谁的. Okay, 谁的 is not a question word. Question word only just now when I introduced, so question word only here. Okay, only the second row at here. So then 我的哥哥 my elder brother is a people, so we choose 谁. 这个医院. 这个医院. Which question word you choose? This hospital, right? So we choose 哪里. Very easy, right? So then quickly finish about this one. Use it as a revision. Okay, quickly finish about this one as a homework. You really need to, for students, if you want to score A, first one, you can memorize your new word first. Then after that, finish the exercise without checking your book. Then mark the word you don't know. Then check your book again. Try to find which word you don't remember the meaning. So check the book again. Okay. Make sure all the sentences at here you can understand every word. So they are very important one. Okay, we do the preparation. Then at here I forgot to put an underline over here. So for question 37, 37, actually the underline word is 星期六下午. Okay, 星期六下午. So for this one, 星期六下午, which question word you will choose? Also very easy one. 星期六下午, which question word do you use? You choose the question word we introduce. 星期六下午, which question word you will use? In our class, look like we got people learn Mandarin before. So then, forgot about what did you learn in your primary, follow what we have discussed in class. 星期六下午, this one. So the question word, 星期六 Saturday, 下午 evening, it's two-time word. Two-time word, we will choose 什么时候. Okay, you have to remember question word first. Only these words will be your option. Okay, you don't have other question words. So focus in our book. Okay, focus in our book. So then this is all for today. So then I will forward this one to our WhatsApp group. Okay, these two PDF I will forward to our WhatsApp group. Then download, prepare by yourself. We will discuss all the question next class. Okay, make sure you understand every word, what's the meaning. Hope you can study hard, do your preparation for it. Okay, so do you have any question to ask me? Now finish your mixed sentence. A lot of things to do. First one, your mixed sentence. Then quiz one. Then question word exercise. Okay, so this is all the things you have to settle. Any questions? 有 or 没有？没有了。So if you don't have, then you can go to prepare your quiz one, prepare your mixed sentence. Okay, so 谢谢大家，再见。When we have test, what kind of test do you mean? We